In this video, we will show you how to install the PII Tools device agent so you can scan local endpoints and file servers. In PII Tools, devices are scanned by means of a device agent. Device agents let you scan and remediate PII on devices such as on-premise and remote file shares, laptops, or workstations. PII Tools agents can be installed on any computer that operates on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Each device agent runs locally as a small background task on the target device and communicates with a running PII Tools server over the network. One PII Tools server is able to connect to and scan as many devices as you like. First, log into PII Tools and go to your dashboard. Click the Information button. Then, download the installer, for example, the Windows MSI, to scan Windows computers. To install a device agent on a Windows machine, double-click the PII Agent Windows MSI installer you downloaded earlier and follow the installation instructions on your screen. Unsure about the token, hostname, and other terms? Let's have a look at them together. Token will be the unique identifier of this device inside PII Tools. The device will be visible under this name inside your PII Tools dashboard. For example, you can set the token to this device's IP address or give it a name. The token name is completely up to you. The idea is to make managing and grouping your devices inside PII Tools easier, especially if you will be connecting hundreds or thousands of them. Each connected device must have a unique token. Hostname is how your agent knows which PII Tools server to connect to. Simply fill in the domain name or the IP address of your PII Tools server. For example, copy the hostname from the address bar of your web browser when viewing the PII Tools dashboard. Leave the REST port at the default value of 443, unless you change the port value during your PII Tools installation. Base folder is a folder path that restricts which parts of this machine PII Tools may scan, such as the main disk of the device or profile folders. Leave the base folder empty to allow scanning of any location on this device without restrictions. Quarantine folder is a folder path into which PII Tools will upload quarantined files during remediation. Leave it empty if you don't wish to upload any files to this device, or set it to an existing folder with write permissions to enable quarantine on this device. Then, select this if you'd like the device agent to run automatically on machine startup in the background for all users. It is recommended that you leave Run on Startup enabled. Now, proceed with the installation. The PII Tools agent will launch automatically as a background task. There is no need to run the agent manually. You can verify that the agent is indeed up and running from your Windows Task Manager. By default, device agents run under the Windows System account. If you wish to change the agent's Windows account, for example, to scan remotely mounted network locations that are only available for specific Windows accounts or ad roles, please get in touch with PII Tools support. Once the MSI is installed, go to Device Manager on the left. The freshly connected device will be listed here with a green online icon. For bulk installations across hundreds of devices, see the online documentation on headless mode through Active Directory. A link to the full documentation is available in the description below. If you want to learn more about PII Tools, follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn.